Welcome to today's fiber prep session, where we'll be creating a Frushi art bat. Let's get to it. First, I unpack my carding kit and gather all the fibers I'll be using. A 2-ounce Rambouillet wool braid, along with silk, bamboo, firestar, nylon, and faux cashmere. I'll set aside the add-ins for now and focus on the wool roving. This gradient braid transitions beautifully from white to pink. To maintain control over the colors, I split the braid in half. I split each piece of the gradient roving in half, carefully unfolding the flat fiber to find the seam. This step ensures consistency in the layers we'll be carding. Moving on to the add-ins, I split each one in half. This gives us a glimpse into the cross-section of our final bat. Now let's set aside half the fibers and begin working on the first layer. I'll start with splitting each gradient roving lengthwise again to maintain color integrity. The gradient wool base will transition from white to pink. Next, I split the orange faux cashmere and red nylon, allocating each to cover 1/4 of the drum carder in alternating fashion. I then lay out the white bamboo and pink silk, ending with the pink firestar over the entire bat. We can start carding. I card my bats in 2 identical layers so the add-ins aren't just on the top layer, but are throughout the bat. Beginning with the first piece of gradient roving, I work from the left side of the drum carder to the middle. Then, with the second piece of gradient roving from the middle to the left side. The third piece goes from the right side of the drum to the middle, and the last piece goes from the middle to the right side. This method ensures a smooth gradient of color for the base of the bat. The first piece of orange faux cashmere goes on the first quarter of the drum. Followed by the first piece of red nylon on the second quarter. The second pieces of faux cashmere and nylon are placed on the third and fourth quarters respectively. This method provides color blocking within the bat. Using the halving technique, I split the white bamboo in half and apply it to the first quarter of the drum. I split the remainder in half again for the second quarter and continue this pattern until there is only a little left that I put back at the beginning. I use this halving technique again with the pink silk, working from the other side of the drum across. The silk and bamboo are applied in a gradient fashion, reinforcing the gradient effect of the wool base. Next, I split the fire star into two halves and distribute them across the drum carter, from left to middle and right to middle. This adds a final touch of sparkle to the bat, like icing on a cake. Finally, I repeat the entire process for the second layer of the bat, ensuring consistent blending and color distribution throughout. sweet, playful, and full of color, just like the festival treat that inspired it. The juicy pinks, watermelon tones, and creamy white silk make this bat a dream to spin, whether you're going for a smooth gradient or a burst of texture. If you love spinning vibrant, high-energy colors, try blending different fiber textures into your bats. Silk, bamboo, and sparkle add incredible dimension and movement to your yarn. Want to experiment with your own version? I have carding kits available in the shop so you can mix and match your own fruity fiber blends. Let me know how you'd spin it, and I'll see you in the next one.